What's going on, guys? Welcome to Soniq Sounds, and today I want to talk about the Novation Launchpad X. I got this bad boy a couple weeks ago and I've been using it in my studio as a super creative tool, and it's been helping me make some insane melodies. So the Novation Launchpad X is one of the 3 new products from Novation. One of them is Novation Launchpad Mini and one of them is Novation Launchpad Pro. I decided to go with the Novation Launchpad X is because it was right in the middle. It was $150, it wasn't breaking my bank, and I was getting a good controller for my needs. Novation Launchpad X comes with a bunch of great software. One of them is Ableton Lite. Also, it gives you 2 months of free Splice subscription and a bunch of different plugins that you can just get started with. Novation Launchpad X has a super simple way of setting it up. Once you get it, just plug in the provided USB cable and you're up and running. It launches a web portal where you can walk through the setup process. Depending on the DAW you use, it has some amazing tutorial videos, so kudos to Novation for that. They were super helpful. And once you're done with that, you're ready to make music. The Novation Launchpad X has been a great tool for me to create innovative melodies. It's gotten me to hit keys that I normally wouldn't hit on a black and white keyboard, and that's because of the different modes that they provide. The Launchpad X has 4 different modes. It has mode 1, which is your notes mode 2 for drums, and mode 3 and 4 are customizable with the component software that they provide. The mode 1 allows you to choose the scale and the key, and also how many fingers you'll be using to play the notes. And mode 3 and 4, like I said, are customizable. I've set mine up so mode 3 plays 4 different channels for 2 different drum sets, 1 for the keys and 1 for the bass. My mode 4, I have it playing minor scales just down to the top. And this is just so I can jam along with different minor chords, different keys, and just have fun with it. The one thing I really wanted in this is the ability to play chords. I know the Pro version has the ability to play chords, but there is a workaround. So if you are a Logic Pro user, you can subscribe to my channel and I'll be doing a video about it soon. The pads on Novation Launchpad X are amazing. They're backlit, they feel great, and the colors are amazing. They're big enough to play drums and melodies, and you can get a really good feel out of it. If you're in market for a new controller that's going to give you a new way to enter notes and get your creative juices flowing, Novation Launchpad X is great. And as usual, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below and I'll see you at the next one.